Whether you're an individual or team, Tome is a great place to collaborate and present your idea live or async. Invite collaborators in Tome by clicking the Share button on the top right menu. To add someone to your Tome, enter their email. If you want a broader audience to view, ensure anyone with the link is set to Can Play. Open up the email access bar and toggle to select access for your collaborators. Let's break down the access types. Can Play allows viewing only. Can Comment means collaborators can view and leave comments. Can Edit means they can tweak the content. And for full access, they have the whole package, including editing and sharing. To land the viewer on a specific page, select Link to Current Page and copy your Tome link to share. You can also create and flash a QR code when presenting a Tome so others can open it. You can also add teammates to your workspace by clicking Invite Teammates on the left side of your workspace. Whether it's just to view, comment, edit, or have full access, you have full control. Collaborating on a Tome? Here's how to streamline sharing feedback. Click the comment button, leave your thoughts on a specific page, and use @ to mention someone. You can right-click to manage these comments. You can check the All tab to see all the comments in a Tome, and click a specific comment to navigate to the page it's on. Ready to showcase your Tome? Let's hit play on the top right. For a more immersive experience, select View Full Screen. Tomes are built to be consumed as live pages. But we know there are cases when you simply need a PDF version, so Tome supports that too. Click this button and choose Export to PDF. With the Tome Pro plan, you can export any Tome into a PDF and share both formats. The exported file mirrors your Tome's page depth. You're now ready to collaborate in Tome and present or share your work in any setting. Until next time, happy creating!